Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fish with me, D Yang. Me and my brother Danny have been looking for some anything, right? Anything. But we have been up north looking for walleyes, white bass, perch, bluegills, everything we can think of. We ended up at this pond. We're gonna get the day started. We just got here. We're gonna find out if we catch some fish. So if you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on this cool little pond here. Right, Danny?
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, I just missed it. Bro, I just missed it. Huh? I just missed one. Hold on, I got fish on me. See it? Look. Got him. Oh, it's big, dude. What the heck? It's a largemouth.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, dude, nice. It's a largemouth. Let's go. It's a largemouth.
It's a largie.
That is so cool. We were so desperate that we went to a small pond that we knew, that we thought that was not gonna work. First largemouth bass with the ice right here. Oh my gosh. Bomb, bro. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
I got another fish. Danny, I got another one. Oh, it popped off. No. No, I lost it. That was a big fish. Oh, dude, that was so cool. Okay, let me try this one. Check. That's a nice fish. Yes! Dude, it's another nice largemouth. Dude, it's so pretty, dude. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Check this out, guys. It's so pretty. Just gold minnow. Look at that. Hold on. Pretty. Dude, check that out, guys.
Oh god.
That is way cool.
That's amazing.
That is way good. They fight so hard, too.
You got a net ticket?
And then we're gonna throw the food back down here. I don't, but I'll just cut it for you. I don't want them to get spooked out, so I'm just gonna throw them back. Nice, dude. Caught like 3 back to back and just shut off. Yeah? I'll help you. Go up. Reel it. Dude, that's so cool. Hold it up. That's a nice one. Wow, look at that, bro. Yeah? Yeah, he's on. I'll help you. On? Yeah. What's the biggest? Yeah? There you go. Good enough. So cool. 2 for 2, bro.
That's so cool, dude.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Got 2 on me. Got him. Help me, bro. Oh, whoa.
That's a freaking giant.
That's what I was telling you. Like, you gotta be panfish.
Dude, that's a solid.
Yeah, that's a solid fish. Yeah.
Dang.
Out of this pond.
It's healthy too.
Very healthy fish. Wow. Get your release. Got him. Oh, it's a giant gill. Oh, it's another big one. Nice. Geez, so lethargic. All right on the upper lip. Oh, that was such hard work. See you, dude. Dude, it's skyrocketing towards me. That's a big one. That's a big one right there. Yeah, it's huge. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, dude. They're so mean too. Take a picture of this guy. Danny, they're just bluegills. Got another one. Oh my god. Dude's massive. Dude, that's cool. Dude, they're so active. Danny, I found your school, bro. They're just bluegills. Oh, I actually got a fish. Oh, got a fish on. Nice. And it's a big gill. Holy moly. Nice gill. Pretty gill. That's a nice fish. There you go. What is this? Oh my, Danny. Oh, dude. That's a 10-inch gill. Wow, look at that. Yeah, that's a big gill, dude. Dude, he's so long. Beautiful fish, guys. Catch and release. Back into the water. Oh, I got some. Hold on. Whoa, oh my, Danny. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Bro. Oh my gosh. God.
Eat that, dude.
I was on the phone with my lady and oh my dude.
Holy cow, dude.
Babe, let me call you back. I'm gonna take a picture. Guys, I just caught this giant, what, warmouth? Bluegill? Whatever you guys want to call it. Pretty big, but we're gonna do a little release here. Danny's gonna do the honor, get close. Let this giant, oh my god, perfect release. This giant bluegill, or warmouth go, I guess, back into the water. Oh, dude, he's been having it. Look at that. Oh, dude, he's even bigger. Dude, he's even bigger.
Dude. Yeah, I can't do this, dude.
Dude, look at this.
Yeah, that thing is giant.
We need a picture of this, dude.
Picture?
Yes, very. Yeah, just put it out tight for you. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, giant warmouth, bluegill, whatever it is. It's big, right? Look at that. Catch and release back into this mysterious mist. Go, bro. Okay. Woo! Another guy. Wait. Decent gill. Oh, nice fish. Alright guys, so I think that's it for today. It's getting dark, obviously, and the GoPro won't pick up good action at night. So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up if you guys haven't yet. Danny just missed a fish, and I think we're going to call it quit. Tons of fun, caught some bluegills, some big, I think they're called warmouth. Either warmouth or bluegill breed, whatever you guys want to call them. They're pretty cool. And yeah, I don't know, that's it. So, until then, I'll see you guys on the water.